Hi Kumars, mabilisang pork curry ito. And curry. So, meron akong baboy. Natin ng luya. Sibuyas. And garlic. Lagay na natin tomatoes and, potatoes and carrots. Paminta. Patis. Put your gata. 1/10. Ayaw pa. Yun, nanganak na. Yan. Okay.
So, for instance, let's say you're going to do something on Discord. You're going to create a date for the private server or whatnot. And you guys actually set myself in this.